Stop letting Windows 11 force you to use Microsoft Edge every time you click a link or a PDF file. Here is the absolute fastest way to set Google Chrome as your default browser so it opens automatically every single time. Click your Windows Start button on the taskbar, then click the Settings gear icon. On the left menu, click on Apps. Then, on the right side of the screen, click on Default Apps. In the search bar under Set Defaults for Applications, type Chrome and click on it when it appears. At the very top, look for Make Google Chrome your default browser and click the Set Default button on the right. Make sure you see a check mark next to that button. Windows 11 will automatically change your primary link types like HTTP and HTTPS to Chrome. If you scroll down and see any lingering file types still assigned to Edge, just click them and switch them manually to Chrome too. And that's it. You're officially free from Edge. If this saved you some frustration, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, zero-fluff tech fixes. See you in the next one.